Hey everybody, and welcome to this episode. Today I'm going to talk about how to create an effective sales funnel. Now, what you're going to learn in this episode is you're going to learn how to create a sales funnel, but you're going to also learn my hacks on being able to make sure that you maximize your efforts so that you can absolutely take the customers that go into this sales funnel and turn them into paying customers. So let's get started. So let's start with what's a sales funnel. A sales funnel basics, right? You're just taking customers through the process that gives them a means of confidence to make a purchase, right? So the biggest thing that I want you to hear here is confidence. It makes them confident when they go through this, and you're gonna learn how to make this a simple process because a confused mind does not take action. So I wanna teach you how to make sure that your customers are taking action. So there's basically 4 components of a sales funnel. The 4 main components are awareness, interest, decisions, and action, right? And so we're going to learn how a sales funnel works and how to make it effective. So lead generating is one of the primary tools. Content marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertisement. So with content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, distributing of content. Oh, that's a tongue twister. And to be able to get in front of your audience. Social media marketing is just the use of social media platforms. Make sure that you know which social media platform is right for you and your product, and you can see that in my video on which social media platform works best for you. And this is great. Social media is where you want to be able to put this ClickFunnels when you get there, right? As well as there's paid advertisements. So we have pay-per-click, which is internet advertising that you can get through Google and different platforms as well. So we have SEO. If you don't know what SEO is, that's search engine optimization. And this is just the process of growing quality people to your website. When you use search engine optimization, you're able to use keywords that people are searching online, and it directs them to your website to get what they want, right? So it's awesome. Public relations, you know what public relations are. It's just the process of maintaining a favorable image and building beneficial relationships. And then you can also use influencers as well. So prospect. It's just creating awareness. With prospecting, you know, you're using free tools, case studies, newsletters, ebooks, you know, with your landing page. This is another part of being able to create awareness, to be able to give people an idea of what it is that you're doing. And you also have retargeting. Now, I wanted to emphasize what retargeting is because a lot of people don't know what it is, but if you do know what it is, it's definitely the thing to do right now. You basically take that user that's visited your site and they leave without purchasing, and they're able to see your ads again on other social media platforms. So this basically just uses their behavior on social media and online to know what their interests are, to be able to put you back in front of them, which is really awesome. You can also use email lists that you have as well to do retargeting campaigns on Facebook and Instagram and different platforms as well. This is a really big tool that people are using right now. So the next part of a sales funnel is your sales page. You have free trials. If you have a free trial that you can give people, free consultations, promotions, there's demos that you can do, free trials, and of course, email marketing. I know a lot of people aren't doing email marketing, but email marketing is so important because that is just planting the seed and reminding people that you're there. So make sure that you are consistent with your email marketing, because those customers that did maybe get that free tool and didn't maybe purchase from you yet, they will at some point if they remember that you're there, because you have to think about it. They might not need you right now, but in 6 months they might need what it is that you offer. And because you have that email marketing campaign going, they go, oh yeah, that's the person I actually wanted to purchase this from. So the next one is action. You have a payment system that you have on your website. You have the shopping in the cart, as well as getting reviews and referrals. Reviews and referrals are so important. You know, getting a person to be able to do a video testimonial is really, really, really a great thing. And then you can transcribe that onto any platform that you want, whether it be a blog or a testimony site or anything like that. For me personally, with our products, a person, when they come to us and they're like, we love your product, this is the most amazing product in the whole world, what I like to do is I go, hey, I will give you a free bottle of our product if you can send me a video testimonial, and that's just my thank you gift. And so that's a way to be able to have somebody take the time to actually do that for you. So the next thing that I want to talk about is how to make this system effective, right? You want to make sure that you create this sales funnel, but how is it that you can make it effective? Well, one, we use sales funnels with our business with a system called ClickFunnels. And basically what it is it's a website generating landing page that clicks the person through to be able to have them purchase from you. So when you're doing this online, you want to make sure that you're using content that's searchable. And to be able to find searchable content, bestkeywordsfinder.com is a great tool to use, as well as if you're on YouTube and you're doing videos and stuff, YouTubekeywordfinder.com is also a really great tool to be able to see what people are searching on YouTube so that you can educate them on your product. Also, you want to have an effective clickable content. What does that mean? That means that you want to have calls to action, right? Things like learn more or buy now or any of those types of things that you can be able to put in those buttons to be able to tell somebody what to do. Because like I said, you want to make it easy for people to understand, because a confused mind does nothing. So keep it simple, keep it clear. You don't want a whole lot of content on a ClickFunnels page. You want to be able to have high quality content, but you don't want it to be rambly. You want them to be able to scroll through, see very easily what it is you do, and also really easy to understand what you want them to do. And that's where we come here, is have something valuable you can give away. If you can give something valuable away to people, they're gonna really want to get into what it is that you do. So for us, doing something valuable actually gives a hook for them to want to learn more, right? So for us, it's like, hey, get a free sample, and to get that free sample, we need to be able to get your email address and phone number and information so that we can send it to you, right? Or you could do a free ebook, right? Or you could do, anything like that or a checklist or something that they can get that is free to be able to in exchange for their information. You also want a sales page that has an upsell page, right? So you're gonna have your sales page. So you're gonna have that hook page, that squeeze page, that page that people are gonna be interested in, go, wow, what is that? Or yeah, I definitely want a free sample. And then the next page is gonna be like, hey, but I would love for you to buy this product. And they go, wow, I'd really like to buy that product. And then after they put in their credit card information and they go, yes, I would like to be able to purchase the product. You go, oh, by the way, my other customers has also liked this as well. And it's a one-click purchase, right? To where they are able to do that. And this tool right here, being able to do this, has taken companies from 6 figures a year to 7 figures a year. So you definitely don't want to miss this step in your sales funnel, ClickFunnels execution. And if it's applicable for you in your product to be able to have a subscribe situation, you definitely want them to subscribe. You want them to either subscribe to a monthly membership or club membership, or any type of subscription, even your email subscription. You want them to subscribe so that you can keep them in front of you. And if it is a purchasable product, that's residual income for you, right? So what's next? So what's next is I want to invite you to join the challenge. Go to fusionfunnel.com. You can learn a little bit more about the challenge. We are going to teach you how to actually create a ClickFunnels from very beginning to end, all the way through this entire process. And I'm so excited for you to learn a little bit more. Just going to fusionfunnel.com. It's going to just give you, like I said, an overview of what it is. And then at that point, you can make a decision if that's something that you want to do. So quick video today, quick tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, follow us on, Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. I would love to be able to add more value to you. And I'm also on businessfusionmedia.com. So thank you guys so much for, again, being part of our webinar and our community. Also, I have a free gift for you. It's our Ultimate Business Builder Guide. It's our secret hacks to building, it's a checklist for business entrepreneurs, and it's my gift to you. So go to bigbossbusiness.com and again, subscribe and check out these videos. You'll love our content. We absolutely love our community, and we would love for you to be part of our family. And thank you again for watching, and we will see you on the other side. Bye.